Logsec versus Obsidian. So, both Logsec and Obsidian have become favorites in the note taking and knowledge management world. But which one is better for you in 2025? Let's break it down. Starting with Obsidian. It's a markdown based note taking app that turns your notes into a connected knowledge network. Everything you write can be linked using your backlinks, and the famous graph view lets you visualize how your ideas connect. It's fast, offline first, and highly customizable with plugins and themes. You can literally turn Obsidian into a journal, a research system, or even a project manager. The downside, it can feel overwhelming for beginners, and syncing between devices requires a paid add-on unless you use third-party services. Logsec, on the other hand, takes a completely different approach. It's an outliner app that organizes your notes as nested bullet points. It's designed for daily journaling, task tracking, and building a second brain without feeling cluttered. Logsec also includes built-in spaced repetition flashcards and an integrated to-do system. It's open source, free to use, and the paid sync option is more affordable than Obsidian's. So here's the big difference. Obsidian is better for people who love flexibility, want a lot of plugins, and think visually. Logsec is perfect for those who prefer structure, outlining, and minimalism. Another big difference lies in their collaboration and ecosystem. Obsidian leans toward for personal use, but with community plugins, you can share your notes or publish directly to the web using Obsidian Publish, which is a premium add-on for professionals who want to showcase research or knowledge bases. While Logsec, however, is slowly introducing native sync and collaboration options, allowing multiple users to work on shared graphs. It's not perfect yet, but it's improving fast. So in short, Obsidian gives you more independence and customization, while Logsec is catching up by focusing on simplicity and future teamwork features. So, for final verdict, if you are a power user who wants total control over your setup, you can go for Obsidian. But if you want a lightweight, fast, and structured note-taking app that keeps you organized effortlessly, you can choose Logsec. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.